how can version control be used in MLOps, and what are some best practices?
There are two dimensions of your machine learning lifecycle, as we talked about. One is the model itself, and the other one is data. So it's very important to, when you version this, you have some correlation between, for example, if you train a model against a particular version of data, and then you version your model. So when you do a retraining in the model, you can see the benefits you are getting in your algorithm tuning, like hyperparameters, for example, while keeping the data consistent. Or next time you have new data, you can see how the new data is having your is impacting your model performance. So the way, one way of doing model versioning is, if you just containerize your model and then you just have a version of your containers in a container registry. That's one way of doing that. The other way of versioning model is, there are different tools, like one of the tools that is open source by Databricks is which calculate the different versions of the model itself. So you have your, for example, model in HP format, or you have the pickle model that will be stored in a registry, and then you can version there. So that's two dimensions of modeling the version model itself. The other is the versioning of data. So tool like Pachyderm, for example, they give you a Git-like structure, or DBT. They give you like a Git-like flow in which you have the metadata of your data, and then you version against that. So there are two ways of doing that, two dimensions. And there are tools like Pachyderm, as I mentioned, that's available for versioning your data, and then you can version your model as a container itself.